I have the Samsung Galaxy A36 and I'll be showing you how to connect wired headphones with a 3.5mm headphone jack. Okay, so obviously if you look around the Galaxy A36, there is no 3.5mm headphone port anywhere, not at the top, not at the sides, and not at the bottom. So the only way you can do this is to use a Type-C adapter. So I'm going to show you two adapters. One of the adapters you can use is this straight 3.5mm headphone port to Type-C. Okay, so you'd get your wired headphones, connect them to the adapter like that, and then the adapter into the phone, and you are good to go. Okay, simple as that. You just connect, and now any media you play is gonna play through the wired headphones. So I'm gonna play something, whatever you play is gonna play through the headphones. So any audio you play, let me go and play some audio. Whether it's YouTube, whether it's music, the audio will come from the headphones. Okay. Now, if you want to also charge your phone as you're listening to the headphones, you can see that the Type-C port is occupied. So you're gonna need a different kind of cable. You might need a cable like this one. So this one has a Type-C connector, which goes into the Type-C port of your phone. But on this other side, you have a Type-C pass-through port and a 3.5mm headphone port. Okay, so you can connect your wired headphones like that. And then on this other side, you can connect your Type-C charger, just like that. So now you can connect both to your phone at the same time by connecting the Type-C connector just like that into your phone, and now your phone should start charging. There you go, and you're listening to music with your wired headphones. So those are the two ways to do that. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.